guys, today I'm going to review this really cool eye cream from Dermalogica. It's called the Stress Positive Eye Lift, and it actually debuffs and kind of reduces these fine lines and the tiredness from my eyes. So we're going to give it a go with the massage. They've actually sent in a DIY on how we're going to use the eye cream. So it's important that we kind of follow these steps at least once a day. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So we're going to take here, make sure you do it like 3 up, and so then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and all the way down, and 1, 2, 3, and all the way down. Now try to debuff and brighten it. So we're gonna 1, 2, 3, hold. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and hold. And we do like 1, 2, 3, and hold. 1, 2, 3. Do it for a couple of seconds so you kind of feel it kind of soaking in. You could also use my ring finger and also massage it like all the way, like go so that it soaks in. So there we go. So thanks for watching, you guys.